In previous video, we learned how to modify our HTTP status code as well as HTTP header whenever we are sending response to our client. But there is another way to modify our header. So if you remember a couple of videos ago, we learned how to intercept bare express request in our controller. What we did was we imported a request here and then played with it. Similar to that we can also import a response here in a full form, or you can also choose a short form here. Just like with the request, we could import uh, the types for it. Similar to that, we can also import types from the express for this particular response. Now let's tweak into it and see how do we modify our response from the bare express library approach. It is pretty simple actually. So let's just comment all of this out and then create another get request for the root directory. And what you have to do is simply so that uh, Copilot gave me the code. So you see what I have done here is I have used this res as a decorator, and for this I have this particular variable uh, as a variable for this particular decorator, and this response is the type that I have imported from here. So let's remove this, let's save it, remove this and this as well. Okay, so what we have here, I will revise again. I imported this res as a decorator, which I have used here. This response is a variable, and this response is a type to define like for this specific variable. So next step, what you would have to do is use this response like this, response dot status and http status dot okay. I actually prefer this short form like this, and then use this send. Now let's see if it works. Yeah, it definitely works. Let's try sending something here. Let the server refresh. So we have received Shamil here. Now let's try and modify this status code like dot created. So if you're coming from definitely Express, this is the Express way of doing stuff. So the purpose of this video was to explain you that you can also use a library specific approach within Nest.js to modify your HTTP status and then send the body just like you used to do it in Express way. Changed. So I hope it made sense to you. Thank you for watching.